Hey YouTube, this is Dave Coaster Dude. Back for round 2. See how snow it is. Well, it's a very bad blizzard out here now. You can't hardly see like cars and stuff out there, and no people out there as well. On the east side of Cleveland. Now, as you can see, my car's got ice on there. All that snow. Yeah, you can see, my Escape. My 2008 Ford Escape. All that snow and stuff. Whew. Wee. Alright. So, hold on just a moment. Okay, folks. I just let you go outside and see what the snow looks like. Yep. Lots of snow. Alright. I'll see you in a minute. Let me get inside here. Well, now you see now. If you live in Cleveland, Indiana, the Ohio area, Chicago, Pennsylvania, New York. New York is worse than Canada too. I advise you to stay in and stay warm and sleep warm as well. Like if you don't have to go out again, then don't. All right, because it's a bad snowstorm. So, sorry about that. My curtain fell. So, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that bell. And I'll see you tomorrow.